Now, we here at Primetime have watched John Quinones go to many exotic locations over the years, but we and you have never seen anything quite like this. It's the story of one man devoting his life to preserving the way his fragile fellow creatures live theirs. In a land half a world away, a unique and beautiful place on the African continent which humans have yet to plunder.
It is a jungle so remote that parts of it have never been seen by human eyes. Deep in the northern Congo, an enchanted world where butterflies grow as large as birds and trees rise as tall as buildings. A land where time has stood still. It's called Ndoki, the world's last virgin rainforest. 1 million acres, untouched by humanity. A Noah's Ark where animals and plants that have disappeared from the rest of the planet remain undisturbed. No one knows this hidden world better than Michael Fay, a 40-year-old American from New Jersey. He's been exploring this malaria-infested jungle step by step for 11 years, often wearing nothing more than a pair of shorts and sandals.
So what's a nice guy from New Jersey doing here?
Hiding. Leopard skin.
Perhaps, but he's also trying to stop the widespread slaughter of endangered species. Defending the jungle against well-armed poachers.
This elephant gun has probably killed hundreds of elephants over the years.
It's all part of his mission for the New York-based Wildlife Conservation Society. Working with Congo's government, Fay and a team of his colleagues are turning Ndoki into a national preserve.
In a remote jungle deep in the northern Congo, correspondent John Quinones already has been given a personal guide to its breathtaking beauty. But he is about to encounter the dark side of a peaceable kingdom.
You're on a deadly safari in the heart of Africa. These hunters are tracking chimpanzees just outside the limits of the Ndoki forest. Be warned that the following scenes are very graphic. The target is hit. It's an adult male. The body parts are taken to market and sold to local butchers as wild game or bushmeat. It provides income to hunters and the families who depend on them. This demand for bushmeat is strong, and though it's illegal, conservationists know that the trade can't be shut down completely. By some estimates, up to 10% of Congo's wildlife is being slaughtered every year, including some of Africa's most endangered species, like this baby lowland gorilla found dead in a suitcase. This one is still alive, rescued while on its way to the bushmeat market. But even if the fight to cut back on the bushmeat trade is won, conservationists know that the animals cannot survive without the rainforest. And every day, there's less and less of it. For Michael Fay, saving this forest is not just a battle, it's a war.